Turn right onto Gateway Center Drive. Stay in your left-hand lane. Make your second left at the sign that says Thales, Thales. The bus stop will be here. There'll be signs. You'll wait 5 minutes, or if your bus is full, you'll leave and you proceed out this direction. Make a right to go up the hill into another parking lot, which may be used for more overflow parking if needed. Make your first right. Make a right back onto Gateway. Turn left at the light at Stringtown Road and stay in your left-hand lane. As you go through the traffic light, it becomes the middle lane. That is the lane you need to stay in. There's going to be cones all around here with just the middle lane open. As you approach the traffic circle, go past the first exit, go past the second exit, and then go straight into the mall. Turn left at the big coach, Saks Fifth Avenue. And the bus stop is right here at Tommy Hilfiger. You wait 5 minutes, or if your bus is full, you will turn left into this parking lot. At the stop sign, make a right. make a right to exit out of the mall and proceed back over to Gateway Center.